Christopher. They're going to check and see if he got into the end zone. I think it's going to be what they will review. Trent Richardson pulled
look
over
at
a
you, you
Razorback
look
defender.
cool.
Keefe reached in, the ball crossed the plane, but apparently his knee may have been down prior to that. At least that was the ruling on the
Hey,
field.
Cecily, can you keep
So
the
they will take a look at it up here. It's either going to be a
phone on his
touchdown or
phone
first and
try to
goal.
take that?
Well, while they take a look at it, we'll
What do I
remind you
do
that
to take it?
Wednesday night we'll be at the
I'm
Catfish Hole
videotaping
again
it.
Oh,
for
you're
Bobby Petrino
videotaping.
Live. And we hope between now and then you'll go dine with our good friends Pat and Janie Gazzola. Here with us on the trip this weekend. Catfish Hole serves the highest quality
Christopher, I love you.
without question, the best fresh puppies anywhere. And their filet can't be beat.
Here you go.
Whether you dine in, whether you carry out, or whether it's catering you can count on.
Christopher, put your glasses on.
The Catfish Hole.
Put your glasses on.